Welcome back again. This time around we have the Tascam DR-100 Mark III linear PCM recorder. Basically, it's an external audio recorder with professional grade features. A couple of days ago we reviewed the Kodak TR-580 tripod. Remember that? Good. Then yesterday we came out with the Comica CVM V02 lavalier microphone. Remember that? Good. And today we're going to unbox the Tascam Recorder. We're trying to up our game. So far our production quality has been poor. Hopefully subsequent videos will have better quality, because we'll be using this recorder in conjunction with a microphone. Eventually, I know, the lighting condition is extremely poor. Bear in mind we have natural lights coming in from the window and it changes at all times. So, at some point in time, we're going to unbox and review this. The YN600L studio light, not bad. All this just to improve the quality of our production. Alright. So let's unbox this, but first let's go through the specs. All right, it supports up to 192 kilohertz 24-bit recording, high audio performances with more than 100 dB of signal to noise ratio, even higher in dual ADC mode, dual battery structure with large capacity lithium-ion battery and AA batteries, various input sources including 2 different types of internal stereo microphone, XLR TRS, external inputs, and digital audio input. Alright, I don't think I need my trusted knife for this. This is just straightforward. Open up. Alright. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Let's see. Okay. Okay. This is for the library, the local library. I'm sure the kids will love to read. Okay. All right. So all we have is the recorder and digital cable, digital input converter. Okay. All right. Now in the line of Tascam recorders, for the prosumer range, this comes up top. I'm going to quickly go through it, and I'm going to use this equipment for about a week or two. Then later on come back with an in-depth review with our lavalier microphone. On the front we have a large display. This is a 2-channel recorder, left, right. Out of the box, this comes with its own microphone. So these work as stereo input or Omni, where they work in conjunction to each other. On the top, when you're charging it, there's a LED, there's an indicator here that shows that it's charging. Here we have the volume, up, down. We have the home button. We have a limiter. The limiter helps you limit the audio input so as not to distort it. I need to know what this one is. It's a mic pad. I don't know. Input level. You put on the left and you set your levels. You put on the right, you set your levels, or you put it in the middle if you set it up as Omni and you set the level. This is a general function button. There's a menu button, left, right, stop, play, pause. So use this for your playback purposes, reverse, forward, stop, play, pause, and press for record. This is a high-res audio. You can record up to as high as 192 kilohertz 24-bit recording. Now that is high. That's really professional level recording. On the left side, you have your on-off button, your USB slot for charging and data connection to your PC, your line out headphone. So this is great because you have a line out, you can take the audio out into a separate board, separate recorder, and you also have a headphone jack, a dedicated headphone jack, so you can monitor your audio separately to your line out. Now there are other recorders, lower grade recorders, that share one port for both headphone and line out. So if you're using it as a line out, there's no way for you to monitor the audio quality. And here we have the level, the headphone level, headphone volume. Here, if it's off, any button, anything you touch here would take effect. If you put it at level, this level, this would not take effect. And if you put on all, whatever you touch here will not take effect. You do all your settings, you can just set the whole to all, and whatever you touch will not have an effect. And this is a speaker out, off, on. On the bottom, you have two inputs. Okay, I mentioned here it has an inbuilt microphone, while here you can connect external microphone to it and have them act as left right. And this is phantom powered with lock mechanism. On the right side here you have your SD card memory slot. Put it in, and here you have your AA battery compartment. But as I mentioned earlier on, this has a dual battery structure. It has an internal lithium-ion battery, which you just charge with a USB, and you can add a AA battery. At the back, no buttons. The previous version had a couple button settings here. The Mark III does not have. So here's flush. You have rubber stoppers, nice and sturdy, and you can mount this on any tripod. For demonstration purposes, so there, you can just set this up. Okay, we'll go. So that's it. This is just for demonstration. So that's okay. So that's what we have. This is the unboxing. In the in-depth review, I'm gonna power it up, work with it, so I'll be able to walk with you through the features.